Look at it. Look at it. So one must be in a position where when anointing comes, it comes and becomes fruitful. It comes and becomes fruitful. Whenever you're being prayed for, don't come because you have heard, no, the man of God prayed for a woman cancer and cancer disappeared. So I must also go. No. When you come, I can lay my hand upon you and anointing would refuse to enter you. Look at it. Anointing can refuse to penetrate into your life. Anointing can refuse to work upon your life because it's not a matter of desiring for the anointing to work, but it is the positioning that you put yourself that attracts anointing to work. Look at it. Look. She brought evidence that indeed cancer was healed. Many saw it. Because of that they will come. But when they come, I will not stop laying hands. I'll lay hands. But the anointing can stop working on them because of their behavior, because of their character. Oh yeah. Oh bless. So understand anointing. Anointing for it to be fruitful, there must be a character. There must be a godly behavior. No, sometimes you lay your hand. The moment you touch, it's an example. Let me touch Mama because she's my wife. The moment you touch the head, you begin to see the spirit showing. Your spirit will possess the true testimony. The person wants to be prayed for, the person wants things to change, but the spirit is coming from prostitution. You get it? So the spirit will reveal why the declaration is not going to manifest. Character. What? What? Character. God bless.